Yeah, as I said in the previous video, I said that I will be showing some videos of manures and fertilizers. I will show you in the next animated video. As for now, let us enter into the theory part. Look here, fertilizers and manure, they have given two difference between fertilizers and manures. As you all know, this is again a very important question, so everyone need to write in your homework book. I will inform you later on. So, what is the first point in fertilizers? Fertilizers is a man-made inorganic salt. It is a man-made chemical, and secondly, it is prepared in the factories. Manure, first point, it is a natural substance obtained by the residues. Residues means waste. Okay, residues means waste. It is obtained from the cattle dung as well as the residues of plants, waste plants, and it is prepared in the fields. And fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. Humus means nutrients prepared by the microorganisms, whereas manure provides a lot of humus, because manure itself is being prepared by the decomposition of animal waste only, so it will provide a high content of humus to the soil. Lastly, fertilizers are rich in chemical called nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, like that, and manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. Okay, see, when in exam they ask which is more advantageous, whether the usage of fertilizers are more advantageous or manure, your answer should be manure. Manure is more for advantageous because it won't do any harmful for the plants. But whereas fertilizers, the excess usage of fertilizers may cause death for the crop also. But which will give a higher yield? It is fertilizers. Compared to manure, fertilizers will give higher yield. So less amount of fertilizers only the farmers will be using. If they use excessive amount, it will cause a huge damage for the farmers. Okay, we have one experiment illustrated in your textbook here. See, we are going to plant, we are going to take 3 cups like this. One cup labeled A, another cup labeled B, another cup labeled C. So in a cup labeled A, what I am going to do means I have growing one crop. To that crop I have added, remember I have added fertilizers. Sorry, I have added manure. Okay, in cup A I have added manure to the soil. Similarly, in cup B I have added fertilizers to that soil. So here in cup A I have added manure, in cup B I have added fertilizers, in cup C I have not added anything. I have left as it is. It is just growing by its own. Now can you see the growth? After 7 to 8 days, when I look all the 3 cups, which has grown very faster? This one, right? Why it has grown very faster means because I have added fertilizers to the cup B. That is what I said. If I add fertilizers to the plant, it will give a higher yield. It will give a very good result. The crop will be growing very faster. Similarly, at cup A also it is growing very faster, but compared to fertilizers, it's not growing very rapidly, but it is growing faster. But look at the cup C, the growth is very slow. So if I don't add any chemicals to the soil, then the growth as well as the yield of the crops will be very less. That is what this experiment tells about. So in the next video, get connected to watch the animated video.